Hello and welcome to our C1 Advanced Reading and Use of English video. Reading and Use of English Part 1. Sample questions. Today, we will look into Part 1. We will answer some sample questions together. But first, let's remember some very important tips that will help you answer these questions correctly. First, read the title. Then, read the whole text quickly. Remember to look for grammar and vocabulary clues such as prepositions, adverbs and adjectives. Try to elicit the meaning of unknown vocabulary from the context. Now, let's remember what types of questions are asked in this part of the exam. Multiple choice closed questions with 4 options, A, B, C or D, are asked in Reading and Use of English Part 1. There is a short text with 8 gaps. Now, let's have a look at a sample question for C1 Advanced Reading and Use of English Part 1. First, read the instructions. Look at the example but don't answer it. Here are the instructions. Now, look at the title. Chickenpox. What is it about? Remember, titles can be very helpful. Skim the text. Don't worry about the gaps. What is skimming? Skimming means reading a text quickly to get the overall meaning. Now, scan the text and think about the missing words. What is scanning? Scanning means reading a text quickly looking for the key pieces of information. Now, read the text again and think about the missing words. What types of words are missing? Prepositions, conjunctions, nouns, adverbs, or verbs. Remember to read the example, but don't try to answer it. Let's have a look at some sample questions now. Here is our text. Have you ever heard of a disease called chickenpox? It is one of the most diseases known. Remember to look at the words before and after the gap. What type of word is needed? Don't look at the options yet. Think of some possible answers that would fit this sentence grammatically. Now, look at the options. Can you find the word you thought of? We are looking for an adjective to complete this sentence. Think about different adjectives that would fit the context of the text. You can try out different words to see if you can find the answer. Read the sentence out loud. If it sounds strange, it is probably incorrect. Have you found the answer? That's right. Our answer is contagious. Now, look at question 2. It is also known as varicella. This disease gives people a skin rash which usually starts on the chest, back and face. There are some other 2 such as fever and headaches. What type of word is needed here? That's right. We need a noun to complete this sentence. Look at the words fever and headaches. What are they? They are examples of what? Now, look at the options. Bugs, symptoms, epidemic, and consequences. That's correct. Fever and headaches are symptoms. Now, let's have a look at our last question for today. Question 3. It usually lasts up to 7 days, but there may be some, such as inflammation of the brain. What kind of word are we looking for? Great! We are looking for another noun. Let's have a look at the options. Symptoms, treatments, infections, and complications. The text is talking about inflammation of the brain. So, we are looking for a word that would explain this problem. Fantastic! The correct answer is complications. Excellent job! Thanks for watching our C1 Advanced video. Please subscribe for more practice questions. Watch our next video for exam prep tips and questions on different skills.